Okay, so I got my bottom plate on the line. So now I'm going to transfer that line up. So I got the laser right on the edge of the plate. The dot shoots straight on up to there. Bring it to this side. Have to pull this poly down. And snap a line. Measure for top plates. 120 or 112 and an 8. Okay, I kind of got ahead of myself. Already fastened the top plate. I will need drywall back in here, so we'll slip on over to here. Okay, so now we need to transfer the door up. So there's stud cripple. In this case, I just put in 2 studs. So I'm measuring in 1.5 inches. I actually don't know why. Could measure to the edge of the plate too. But anyway, here we are. Stud, stud. Okay, so we'll put a stud somewhere in the middle here. Half of 36 is 18. We'll do 17.25. Same over here. Should be 37. 18.5. Let's go 17.25 again. Okay. We'll measure in our first 2. There will be poly. There's poly on the back side of this plywood. 2 of them at 85.25. Okay, so let's hope the light don't go up. I have to fix my plug-in. It's pretty delicate. Make sure the crowns are all the same way. Ah, there it went. Afraid of that. Now it's dark. Really dark. Okay, so the light fired back up. So we will finish this rough opening for the door. Okay, that finishes that wall.